Hey, Arnold, let's go. Like, they're waiting on the helicopter for us. Hurry up.
You can go without me.
Like, we've been planning this trip for like over a month. What are you talking about?
You got to listen to me. I said I don't want to go.
Like, I don't get it. Like, 1 minute you're all in, and the next minute you don't want to go.
You got to listen to me. I'm afraid of heights.
Like, what are you talking about, Arnold? Like, you're always in helicopters in your movies, eh?
The chopper never left the ground.
Like, I don't understand, Arnold. Like, in the movie The Predator, you're in the helicopter.
They just put a TV next to the chopper door. I don't like heights, Stallone.
Like, what do you mean, Arnold? Like, what do you mean you don't like heights?
You know how we're standing on the ground right now?
Yeah?
We're anything higher than this. I'm afraid, okay?
Well, alright, Arnold. Like, I'm still gonna go on the helicopter, alright? So, see ya.
Just think of your happy place, Arnold. Think of your happy place. Think of your happy place, Arnold.